Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online lecture Social Studies class 7. Chapter number 3, Main Agricultural Products of the Muslim World. Dear students, in the previous lesson we learned about wool, cotton, rice, wheat, sugar, tea and coffee. And in this lesson we will learn about the next topic, cocoa. So open your book, page number 14. Yes, cocoa. When Columbus found the New World of America, the cocoa plant, also known as cocoa, was discovered in Mexico, where cocoa was a drink of the nobles. It became a very popular drink in Europe in the 17th century. Chocolate as a sweet, as we know it today, also not invented until 1847. Yes, जब कोलंबस ने अमेरिका दरियाफ्त किया उसी वक्त मेक्सिको में कोकोआ प्लांट को भी डिस्कवर किया गया था और कोकोआ एज अ ड्रिंक और मशरूब इस्तेमाल किया जाता। कोकोआ ड्रिंक यूरोप में भी बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस था 17th सेंचुरी में, लेकिन इसे एज अ चॉकलेट एज अ स्वीट 1847 में अभी इन्वेंट नहीं किया गया था। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, here in the given pictures you can also see cocoa plant with the cocoa pods. Here is also the picture of cocoa seeds, and chocolate is also made from cocoa. Cocoa bean was very important to the Aztecs, who called it Zocolatl. They used it as a form of money and also roasted and ground it to make a drink. इसे रोस्ट किया जाता और इसे ड्रिंक के तौर पर ग्राइंड करके भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता था। Now almost all cocoa is grown in West Africa and Southeast Asia. It is used as a drink, but more especially from making sweets and chocolates. A kind of fat cocoa butter which is pressed out of the beans during manufacture is used in some cosmetics and medicine. कोकोआ को मशरूब के तौर पर भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता है और चॉकलेट बनाने के लिए भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। इसे केक्स और मिठाइयों में भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं। ये बहुत सी अद्वियात और कॉस्मेटिक्स में भी इस्तेमाल होता है। इंडोनेशिया एंड मलेशिया प्रोड्यूस अबाउट 18% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स कोकोआ सप्लाई। कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट। The next point is wheat. Wheat is the most important food crop for much of the world, especially in temperate lands. It is grown in all countries outside the tropics. Most countries have to import huge quantities of wheat. गंदम बहुत ही अहम फसल है जो तकरीबन तमाम ममालिक में उगाई जाती है, लेकिन ये पाकिस्तान और तुर्की में वाफर मिकदार में पाई जाती है और इसे एक्सपोर्ट भी किया जाता है। Pakistan and Turkey are among the very few nations that can grow enough to feed the whole of their population and still have some left or export. These countries, however, find it difficult to compete with nations such as the USA, which has fields measuring many hundreds of hectares and gigantic machines for planting and harvesting. The Muslim world produces nearly 17% of the world's wheat. A wheat grain consists of an inner part which we eat and two outer husks which protect the seed. Come to the next point, rice. Rice is the tropical equivalent of wheat and the amount grown is also about the same as wheat. Rice needs a great deal of water and heat. China and India are easily the largest growers of rice, producing about 2/3 of the world's supply. But the Muslim countries, especially Indonesia and Bangladesh, grow over 18% of the total rice. चावल बहुत ही अहम फसल है जैसे गंदम, और ये भी तकरीबन ज़्यादातर ममालिक में ग्रो की जाती है, लेकिन चाइना और इंडिया ज़्यादा बड़े ग्रोवर्स हैं, यानी ये चावलों की फसल को उगाने में ज़्यादा अहम किरदार अदा करते हैं. इट प्रोड्यूसेस अबाउट 2/3 ऑफ द वर्ल्ड सप्लाई, यानी चाइना और इंडिया 2/3 पार्ट है जहाँ पर पूरी दुनिया में जहाँ पर चावल को उगाया जाता है. Come to the next point. Here is the table which shows the agricultural products by Muslim countries. The first country is Bangladesh. The products grown in Bangladesh are jute, tea, rice, cotton clothes. Cotton lawyer produce coffee and cocoa. Egypt produce cotton, wheat, vegetable, oranges. Indonesia produce cotton, timber and rice. Iran produces fruit, pistachio, nuts. Malaysia produce palm oil, timber fruit. Morocco produce fruits and vegetables. Pakistan produce rice, cotton, fruit. Turkey produces wheat, tobacco, fruit and vegetables. Saudi Arabia produces dates and Iraq also produces dates. This is the list of Muslim countries' products that are also exported by Muslim countries. Dear students, here are the questions and answers and also activities of the lesson number 3. So, let's take a look on it. Question number 1 is, which agricultural products do you consider the most important? Give reasons. Most important agricultural products. The first one is, grains must be perhaps the most important agricultural product because form the basic diet of each person. The next one is, fibers are probably the next. Cotton, wool and then linen from flax, as every has to be clothed. Plant foods like vegetables, roots, leaves, cabbage, spinach, etc. are important as they supply essential nutrients such as vitamins to the body. Question number 3 is question number 3 is, Pakistan import and consume a lot of tea. Find out the amounts imported and consumed. The highest consumption per person is in UK 2.3 kilogram per head per year. Pakistan's consumption is comparatively lower at 0.7 kilogram per person per year. Come to the question number 2. Find out what other products are made from natural rubber. Products made by natural rubber other than the ones mentioned in the book are gloves, toys, balloons, adhesives, and rubber bands, erasers, etc. Dear students, question number 2, 5 and 6 is related to activities for research work, so students will solve them after thorough reading and understanding of the lesson.